Hello everyone, and welcome to kid-friendly cooking. Today we're going to make a delicious homemade pizza together. It's super easy and a lot of fun, so let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 pre-made pizza dough, 1/2 cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Your favorite toppings. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, lightly flour your work surface and roll out the pizza dough into a circle or rectangle, depending on your preference. Don't worry about it being perfect, irregular shapes are fun. Next, spread the pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Now it's time to add the cheese and your favorite toppings. Be creative and make patterns or faces with your toppings. It's all about having fun. Carefully transfer your pizza onto a baking sheet or pizza stone and bake it in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Once it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Now it's time to enjoy your homemade pizza. Delicious! Remember, cooking is all about having fun and being creative. Thanks for joining us on Kid Friendly Cooking. See you next time.